Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and here is another setting in the Settings app, and it has to do with themes, and that is the general personalization of what is your colors and background pictures that is available through Microsoft Store, for example. So in the settings, simply go into your Settings app, either by the quick actions or the start menu. And here you'll go into personalization and go into themes. Now I use Microsoft themes, so you see here get more themes in the Microsoft Store. This will actually bring you to the Microsoft Store and give you a host of new themes, and I often go here to get some of these themes because I really like to have different pictures from time to time. So for example, here let's change. I haven't changed in a while, so we'll go to stunning waterfalls right here on the right side. So a lot of these are of course available through Microsoft Corporation, so personalized themes. And I will click the Get button and we'll actually have a new theme. So this is how I get my pictures, and once they are installed, you actually have this available for your enjoyment. And this of course enables you to have different pictures. And if you don't want to take the time to either use personalized pictures, well, there's a lot of these themes in the Windows store, that the Microsoft Store, that are just amazing. So now if I go to the app store, let me just go here. So, and the themes that I have downloaded, now I do have, or should have, here we are, the Stunning Waterfalls Premium. Double click on it and it's automatic. The colors, the dark or light theme, everything changes automatically. Of course you can personalize this to be your liking, but here goes. This is the first picture. And so that's all available through that themes setting. So when people ask me where I get all of that, this is where it is. Apart from that, in the settings, you have, of course, the possibility to go into background. Here's a slideshow of 19 images from my themes, but you can browse and change your background. It brings you back to background here, where you can choose your own pictures. Colors, default blue, and here it says my theme for Windows mode, dark, light, depending on what I want to use. And I will actually make sure that I'll put everything dark, because I kind of like to have dark theme everywhere. So sometimes it changes depending on the themes. You have sounds. Of course you can change the default sounds that Windows has when you do different things. That's a personalization that you have here. That's possible to even have personalized sounds that you have. Mouse cursor with the settings, the type of cursor and the things that you want to see depending on what's happening, and change all of that. And if you do changes here, well, you will want to save theme to make sure that it is saved, and then you can give it a name. So you can say, Mark's theme or whatever, depending on, what you want. All the themes that you have downloaded from the store are still available here when you look at it, including some of the themes that were by default. Once you actually have these themes installed, if you wish to remove them, you can simply right click on one theme and click the delete button. What this will do is remove that theme from your computer. So maybe you don't want to, winter's over here, ski paradise, I'll delete, and so on. So you can actually, have more space, especially if you have limited hard drive space. This could be useful because it's something that is going to be, taking some space on your hard drive. So that's pretty much what you have. You have, of course, related settings on the right side, which is desktop icon settings, high contrast settings, and so on. Of course, you can sync all of these settings. That means when you do have a custom theme that you download, you can have it synced through all the machines you have on your PC, in your home or your business, if you want, as long as it's the same Microsoft account. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.